Hi, I'm Lisa Smith, Program Officer for Postsecondary Attainment at the Don Wood Foundation. I have the privilege to work with career and technical education programs, higher education institutions, adult learning centers, workforce training providers, and nonprofit organizations across the 12 counties in and around Allen County that make up Northeast Indiana. Through the Developing Talent Grant Program, the Don Wood Foundation invests in efforts that strengthen the connection between education, training, and career opportunity. This work supports learners as they build the skills, credentials, experience, and confidence needed to pursue and grow in next-gen manufacturing careers. Developing talent is one of the Foundation's key levers for advancing a future-ready manufacturing workforce in the region. In this focus area, we look for opportunities that help learners move through clear, connected pathways from high school to post-secondary education, training, and employment. Strong projects are often grounded in collaboration among educators, employers, and community partners with a shared commitment to preparing learners for both current workforce needs and the changing demands of advanced manufacturing. Eligible efforts may include career and technical education programs, work-based or project-based learning opportunities, post-secondary pathways, industry-recognized credentials, degree programs, and related programs that prepare learners for the evolving needs of regional next-gen manufacturing employers. We are especially interested in collaborative models that bring education and industry partners together to expand hands-on learning, improve program quality, and create clearer pathways from classroom learning to meaningful career opportunities. These efforts may also include curriculum development, instructor support, employer-connected learning experiences, and strategies that help learners apply what they are learning in real settings. While we only award to nonprofits, employers benefit from these partnerships by introducing their workplaces and career opportunities to students from their own backyard. This exposure helps students better understand the options that are available to them where they live. If your organization is working to prepare learners for the future of manufacturing in Northeast Indiana, we would welcome the opportunity to learn more and explore alignment with the Developing Talent Grant Program.